Alzheimer's disease is a devastating brain disorder that impacts tens of millions worldwide, including nearly 7 million people in the United States alone. It's more than just memory loss. It's a progressive condition that robs individuals of their cognitive functions, independence, and eventually their very identity. For families, it brings profound emotional and financial challenges. Despite decades of research, there's no proven way to prevent or cure Alzheimer's, but scientists, like the team at Northwestern Medicine, are uncovering new insights every day, focusing on molecular factors like beta-amyloid, tau proteins, and even short RNA molecules, which may hold the key to future treatments. Alzheimer's accounts for 60 to 80% of all dementia cases worldwide. Dementia in general refers to conditions that impair memory, cognitive functions, and daily living abilities. But Alzheimer's is unique in its insidious progression. Symptoms often begin subtly after age 60, but worsen over time, ultimately requiring full-time care. While occasional forgetfulness is a normal part of aging, persistent memory problems that disrupt daily life should never be ignored. Alzheimer's can develop through multiple pathways. The most common form, sporadic Alzheimer's, has no single known cause. Instead, it's influenced by a mix of genetic, lifestyle, and environmental factors. Key risks include carrying the APOE4 gene, poor diet, and low physical activity. In rarer cases, familial Alzheimer's is caused by inherited genetic mutations, often leading to earlier onset. Developing full-blown Alzheimer's requires a complex interplay of additional factors, including tau protein pathology. The hallmarks of Alzheimer's are beta-amyloid plaques, abnormal protein clumps that block neuron signaling, and tau tangles which form inside neurons and contribute to cell death. But there's another emerging player, RNA. Research at Northwestern Medicine focuses on the balance between two types of RNA: protective RNA, which supports neuron survival, and toxic RNA, which accelerates cell death. This RNA dynamic might help explain why some people, often called super-agers, maintain strong cognitive abilities well into their 80s and beyond. Alzheimer's risk is influenced by several factors, many of which are manageable. Low blood flow, caused by high blood pressure, smoking and alcohol use. Inflammation, chronic infections, such as gum disease, can worsen systemic inflammation. Mental health problems, depression significantly increases Alzheimer's risk. Head trauma, protecting against concussions is crucial for brain health. Sleep disorders, conditions like sleep apnea, are linked to higher dementia risks. Diabetes and obesity. Managing weight and blood sugar levels is essential. While genetic factors like a family history of Alzheimer's can't be changed, addressing lifestyle risks can significantly improve long-term brain health. The evidence is clear. Regular exercise, real, consistent effort, not just 30 minutes once a week, has a bigger impact on reducing the risk of Alzheimer's than almost anything else you can do. Yes, other interventions like diet, sleep, and overall lifestyle are important, but when it comes to cutting down your risk, nothing compares to the power of exercise. Although there's no cure, there are steps to slow progression and improve quality of life. Physical exercise, learning new skills, and staying socially active are proven to help maintain cognitive function. Newer drugs like monoclonal antibodies are being developed to target beta-amyloid plaques directly, though their long-term effectiveness is still being studied. And Northwestern researchers are exploring RNA-based therapies to boost protective mechanisms in the brain. The number of people living with Alzheimer's is expected to double in the next 2 decades. But ongoing research into beta-amyloid, tau, and RNA dynamics holds promise for earlier detection and personalized treatments. Studying super-agers may unlock protective strategies to help others age gracefully. Alzheimer's remains one of the greatest challenges in medicine, but progress is being made. By addressing lifestyle factors, advancing research, and supporting those affected, we can work toward a future with fewer cases and better outcomes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on health and science. Together, let's spread awareness and hope in the fight against Alzheimer's.